One sunny morning, Binni the bunny heard some sad news on his forest radio. A big fire had burned through Los Angeles, leaving animals without homes. I have to help them, Binni said, packing his adventure bag with a tiny water bucket, some seeds, and his favorite carrot snack. Binni hopped into the forest, ready to help. The trees were blackened, and the air smelled like smoke, but Binni wasn't scared. "Don't worry, little forest," he said, "I'll make things better." As he hopped along, Binni heard a chirping sound. He looked up and saw a baby bird stuck on a burned branch. "Hold on," Binni called. Using a rope ladder from his bag, he climbed up and gently helped the bird back to safety. Next, Binni found a scared fox hiding under a log. "Here, have some water," Binni said, offering his bucket. The fox drank happily and wagged its tail. "Follow me, I'll take you to a safe place," Binni said, and the fox trotted behind him. Binni kept hopping until he found a family of turtles looking for water. "Don't worry, I'll help," Binni said. He dug a little pond with his paws and filled it with water from his bucket. The turtles cheered.
Thank you
Binni."
very much.
Binni didn't stop there. He called all the animals together. "Let's rebuild the forest," he said. The squirrels planted seeds, the birds gathered twigs for nests, and the deer carried water to thirsty plants. Binni worked hard too, digging holes and helping everyone. Soon the forest began to heal. Little green sprouts popped up, flowers bloomed, and the air smelled fresh again. All the animals sang a happy song. Let us eat, watch it grow, help the forest heal. You know, Binni leaves, we're a team, making nature's biggest dream. At the end of the day, Binni sat on a hill with his forest friends. The sun set over the green trees and a rainbow stretched across the sky. "We did it," Binni said, smiling. "Remember, every little act of kindness helps." The animals cheered.
Hi friends, I'm Binni the bunny. Sometimes big challenges like the fires in Los Angeles can make us feel sad, but remember, kindness and teamwork can help us rebuild and bring hope back to our world.